Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 10 hand down exercise invest. So open the Excel chapter 12. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So open the Word files and open the Excel files. So click the enable editings and next is open the Excel files. So double click and open the enable editing and so we move to the Word instruction files. Assignment title is Exp22 Excel chapter 12 HOE Invoice and the total question is 20. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is the invoice template provide the basic design you need. You want to add your company contact information. You also want to delete the samples and delete the and remove the developer data validations comments and type the Velma total don't cares. So copy the title and paste the title in cell B2. So select the B2 and paste the title, press enter, and next is type the every loan need TLC in cell B3. So copy your title and paste the title in cell B3. So select the B3 and press enter, and next is type the load area in cell C5. So copy your title and select the C5 and press enter, and next is type the 1 2 3 4 Carrier Parkway lands and so copy a value and paste the value in cell B27. So select the cell B27, press enter and paste the title, press enter, and apply the italic format to cell B3. So select the B3, press enter and apply the italic format. Click the italic, and next is delete the value in the range D6 to D10. So copy your range and paste the range, press enter and delete the value range and press delete button. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is continue editing the template by making the following structure changes. Insert the row before row 1 and insert the column before column A and set the column width of column A to 2 and outside border to the range B2 to F28. Clear the all data validation. It was included in the original template and rename the worksheet list to the customer invoice. So insert the new row before row 1. So select the row 1, right click and click the insert, and next is insert the column before column A. So select the column A, right click and click the insert, So insert new column. So next is set the column width of column A to 2. So select the column A and column width is 2. So right click and click the column with this type 2, click OK. And next is and add the outside border to the range B2 to F28. So copy a range B2 to F28. So B2 to F28, copy the range and paste the range, press enter. And next is add the outside border. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and apply the outside border. And next is clear the all data validation that was included in the original templates and clear the all data validations. So go to the data tabs and go to the data validation groups and data validation and clear all and click OK. So next is rename the worksheet is to customer invoice. So copy the worksheet name, right click and click the rename and customer invoice. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is period distributing your templates. You want to remove all personal information. You will use the document inspector to complete the task and use the documents inspector and remove all document property and personal information. So use the document inspectors to remove the all documents property and personal information. So next is use the document inspectors to remove all the document property and personal information. So go to the file tabs and next is go to the info and select the check for issue and inspect documents and click the yes. And next is remove all the documents property and personal information. So click the inspect and document property and personal information, click the remove. And next is take a pen as and click the remove and click close. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5. So question number 5 is the invoice will be sent to the electronically and you want to make sure the invoice template does not contain the contents and causes to the ensure documents is complete accessibility and standard you will check the accessibility and use the accessibility checkers to check the template to check the template you will accessibility and use the checker to check the templates for issue and when you completed make following changes to improve the template accessibility. Use the accessibility checkers, go to the file tabs and next is go to the info and click the check the sorry go to the file tabs and go to the info, and next is check the accessibility, and make changes to improve the template accessibility. So next is unmap the following range C27 to D27. So copy a range and paste the range, press enter, and unmerge the range. And next is C28 to D28. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and go to the home tabs, go to the language groups and click the unmerge. And next is C4 to C5. Press enter and unmerge the cells. And next is C2 to F2. So copy a range and paste the range, press enter and unmerge the cell. So next is C2 to F2. Copy a range and paste the range, press enter, unmerge the range. Next is D12 to E12. So copy range and paste the range, press enter, go to the home tabs, go to the language groups and click the unmerge. And next is D30 to E30 and paste the range, press enter, unmerge the cells, and D6 to E6. Press enter and unmerge the cell. And next is set the text in the cell C2 left alignments. So copy the title and paste the title in cell D13 and press enter. So date on, press enter. So question number 5 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.